Now, for whatever reason, you woke up this morning excited to go to work, smile on your face, happy as hell. You walk to your car, turn it on. Uh-oh.
Get fixed. Let's get it.
What up, guys? Ben GD here from Get Fixed. In today's video, we're going to be talking about BMW engine knocking. I know what you think it is, but here's what it might possibly be. So I woke up one morning, started up the car. Everything seemed fine at first until I started driving it. Started hearing. And the faster I accelerated, the louder and faster the noise got. I've had that issue before, but that time it was like one of my brake lines. The plastic that was holding the brake line broke, and it allowed like the actual brake line to flap in the bottom of the car, and it was just like slapping against like a metal shield, and that's what was causing that noise. I went under the car and took a look to see if that was the issue, and it wasn't. Everything was securely fit. Nothing was moving underneath the car. So the next thing I decided to do is look around the engine just to see if there was any loose metal or loose plastic flapping against it causing that noise to happen. There wasn't. So I started going into my troubleshooting phase. I started looking around the engine to see if there was any physical damage, anything leaking, anything loose. Couldn't find anything. So I started going through a process of elimination. I took a look at the high pressure fuel pump at the top of the engine. That has like a spring mechanism in it. I thought it got loose and started rattling inside of the high pressure fuel pump. So I pulled the high pressure fuel pump off the engine, shook it, and everything sounded normal. It didn't sound like it was loose or damaged or anything. So I do have experience with going in the engine. I changed the exhaust sprocket, the intake sprocket before, so I know the procedure and how to do it. So I wasn't too intimidated by it. So I took all the screws off, so the fuel injectors off, the rail, the high pressure fuel pump, removed all the things at the top of the engine off. Then I removed the valve cover, looked inside of it, inspected all the parts, the lobes, the rods, just to make sure that nothing was loose. I pressed it by hand. I actually thought there was something inside of the engine that was loose that I couldn't see from the top. I know that my engine's misfiring, so I started looking at the fuel injectors. When I pulled them out, fuel injector number 2 was completely burnt. The tip of it had a gasket at the end of it. It burnt off, so that was no longer there. The mid section of the fuel injector was completely burnt. So I was like, oh, I wonder if that's what it is. I'm getting a misfire. It's running rough. And then it's making this loud knocking noise. I didn't think that loud knocking noise was coming from a misfire, but what do I know, right? I actually had a friend of mine whose car didn't want to start up, and it's almost the exact same car as mine. I figured he had a fuel injector issue, so what I did is I replaced his third fuel injector with a brand new one. And then I took his old one and actually replaced my fuel injector 2 with it. And the knocking went away. Also, my misfire went away. What I believe was happening is that the fuel injector went so bad that it started like dripping gas inside of the cylinder. It's filling up the wrong amount of gas into it. When it combusts, it was just exploding at the wrong time, creating that knocking noise. Anyways, if you're getting a misfire with your BMW and you're also getting a loud knocking noise, don't automatically think it's the rod, because it could be something else that's causing that knock to happen. So I got lucky. All it was for me was a fuel injector that cost about 160 bucks. Bought a new one, replaced it, and solved the problem. My drivetrain malfunction error message also went away after that, and the car started running smooth. And there you have it, guys. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, Ben GD here from Get Fixed, and I'm out. Peace.
Let's get it.